Hi everyone, this is Volly. It's a program that improves the ability for the models to generate ASCII art. So before I made it, I just did a quick test with Gemini to see how well it could do a capybara, and it wasn't that great. I had seen this post about a new way of doing something that's kind of inspired by reinforcement learning and whittled it down to basically use no literal RL, but what it does do is follow the concept by using an improved prompt for every loop that it gives. So instead of having a traditional optimization score, um, what it does is it just uses the prompt and improves it every time that it attempts making an image. I'm going to go ahead and kick off a full run of the script right now, and then I'll come back. Okay, so here's a verbose sort of output showing the improvements into the prompt each cycle. We get a web app that shows sort of a summarized version of this later. Anyway, here's the full run from before, and here's some sample images from the iterations, and here's the web app that shows the current best that was generated from the iterations. Now you can see in the folder there's a bunch of different iterations that have been created. Let's just go to the most recent one. You can see how it evolves the images here as well. Here's the final prompt that the system generated. And there's a control run that has a much simpler prompt that just takes the animal. In this case, what was requested was capybara, and it generates what a more generic version of the system would have created. And as you can see, these are much more primitive images. Just for the fun of it, here's like the best of one of the previous runs. Some of them are pretty good. Still have a ways to go to look like a real capybara. Well, that's the idea for now. I'm about to run out of time to submit. So that's it. Thanks, guys and gals, and everyone else.